Are your legs feeling weaker as you age? You're not alone. After 50, millions experience leg weakness. But here's the good news. Most of the time, it's preventable. In this video, we're breaking down the 12 hidden reasons your legs might be getting weaker and what you can do to reverse it before it's too late. Let's jump right in. After age 50, your body naturally starts losing muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. If you're not strength training or staying active, this loss accelerates. And guess what? That weak feeling when standing up? That's sarcopenia talking. What to do? Start with bodyweight exercises, squats, calf raises, or even simple chair stands. Spending too much time sitting? Sitting for long periods tightens your hip flexors and weakens your glutes and legs. Fix it. Try standing up every 30 to 45 minutes. Even light walking around the house keeps your muscles active. Aging muscles need fuel. If you're not getting enough protein, vitamins like D and B12, or minerals like magnesium, you're setting your body up for failure. Tip: add lean protein, leafy greens, and consider a supplement after talking to your doctor. Do your legs feel heavy or numb? Poor circulation due to conditions like diabetes or peripheral artery disease can weaken your leg strength. Action: regular walking improves blood flow. Compression socks may help too. Numbness, tingling, or balance issues might be due to nerve damage, often caused by diabetes, spinal problems, or alcohol overuse. Solution: focus on B12 intake, physical therapy, and check with your doctor if symptoms persist. Osteoarthritis or knee pain can cause you to avoid moving, which weakens legs even faster. Fix: low-impact exercises like swimming or cycling keep joints moving without stress. Leg strength is closely tied to balance. If you don't train for balance, your legs won't stabilize properly. Tip: add single leg stands, Tai Chi, or yoga into your weekly routine. Some medications, like statins or certain blood pressure drugs, can cause muscle weakness or cramps. Action: check with your doctor if you notice weakness after starting a new medication. Muscles need water. Dehydration can lead to cramps and reduced endurance. Quick tip: drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Add electrolytes if you're active. During sleep, your body repairs muscles. Poor sleep means poor recovery and weak legs. Do this. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule and avoid screens before bed. Vitamin D keeps your muscles and bones strong. If you don't get enough sun, you may be deficient. Fix: spend 10 to 15 minutes in the sun daily and consider supplements. A little exercise once in a while won't cut it. Your legs need consistent movement to stay strong. Solution: commit to at least 30 minutes of moderate activity 5 days a week. Let's recap. To fight leg weakness: eat well, exercise regularly, stay hydrated, sleep better, talk to your doctor about meds or symptoms. Flex biceps: try this simple daily routine. 10 squats, 10 calf raises, 30-second single leg stands, each side, 10-minute walk. Look, aging doesn't mean giving up. With small, consistent steps, you can regain leg strength. The key is awareness and action. The earlier you start, the better the results. Call to action: if you found this helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs this info. And don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Vibes Now, where we keep your health and happiness a priority. Stay active, stay strong, and stay healthy. Until next time, keep the healthy vibes flowing.